She came to court alone. No lawyer. No witnesses. Just years of frustration and a system that demands proof. This is what really happens when you try to fight a contractor in court, by yourself. This case is People versus Savannah Marie Bradley. Both sides are present in court. The police are represented by the detective, and Savannah Bradley is represented by her defense attorney.
Ma'am, have a seat. Tell me your name first.
Savannah Bradley.
All right. So today is the date scheduled for preliminary exam, and it's home invasion first. We don't have to go to exam on counts 2 and 3. That's malicious destruction of the building, 200 or more, but less than 1,000, and domestic violence. But on the home invasion, we're going to exam. Any preliminary matters? Any objection?
No.
All witnesses in this case who might testify either today or at the time of trial, with the exception of the officer in charge and the defendant, have to leave the courtroom right now. So if you might testify today or even at trial, you have to leave the courtroom, okay? All right. Any other preliminary matters?
To my knowledge,
Ms. Mohammed,
No.
call your first witness.
the people call Joshua Summers.
Okay. Come on up here, sir. Right up to the podium, please. I'm sorry, right up to the witness chair. Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm under penalties of perjury that the testimony you will give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you got. Have a seat, please. You may proceed. Just keep your voice up nice and loud for me, okay? Thank you.
Good afternoon. Could you please state your name for the record?
Joshua Joseph Summers.
Mr. Summers, I'm going to take you back to December 10th, 2025. Do you recall that date?
Yes.
And did you make contact with somebody named Savannah Bradley on that day?
No.
Let me rephrase that. At some point, did you happen to make contact with Savannah Bradley on that day?
Yes.
And do you see Savannah Bradley in the room today? I might be able.
Yes, I do.
Okay, could you point to her and tell me the color of her shirt?
Black.
No, let the record reflect you witness have identified the defendant.
The record should so reflect.
And where were you on that day?
At home.
Did something significant happen to you on that day?
Yes.
Okay. And you indicated that at some point you made contact with Savannah Bradley. Around what time was that?
It was in the nighttime.
Okay. And how do you know her?
She's my girlfriend, my childhood.
She is your girlfriend or was?
Was at the time.
So at
Well, at that time, no. At that time, she was not. She was my girlfriend and my childhood, but not at the time. She was not my girlfriend.
I can ask further questions, Your Honor.
Okay.
So on December 10th, was she your girlfriend?
No.
You said you have a child in common?
Yes.
Is it just one?
Yes.
And about how long had you been broken up for on that day?
3 to 4 months.
So when you were at home, what happened?
The witness says there was a knock on the door. He was lying on the couch when he answered it. As soon as he opened the door, he was punched directly in the face, near the eye. The home is located on Elm Drive in Brownstown County, Wayne.
Straight here.
And when you opened up the door, who did you see?
Savannah Bradley.
Can the record reflect as to where he punched?
You pointed to the right underneath your eye, correct?
Yes.
Left eye?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. I apologize for that. So you said you saw Savannah Bradley. Where was she standing?
I opened the door. Open up. She already had the screen door open. And when I opened up my big door and the storm door, then I just got jumped.
Did you invite her over that day?
No.
Did she at all tell you that she was coming over that day?
No.
And at this home, is this your home?
Yes.
Did she live there?
Yes.
Did she live there on December 10th?
No, not at the time.
At some point, did she live there?
Yes, she did.
Do you remember when that was?
Not an actual date, but when I broke up with her when she was in Wayne County Jail, that's when it was. I already agreed to. Her dad came and got her stuff. And she moved over to dad.
So at some point when you had broken up with her, did she move out?
Her dad moved her stuff, and then
Did you go and talk to her in the Wayne County Jail?
I went. Sorry.
You said it was agreed upon when she was in the Wayne County Jail, right?
Yes.
Did you go and talk to her there?
No, it was a
Okay, so you had a direct phone call with,
yes.
and you told her you wanted out?
I told her I wanted her out, and I was done with her.
Okay.
And her dad, she ended up talking to her father, and he came and picked up all her belongings.
What month was that? If you know.
Obviously, I don't. Well,
You guys have 5 extensions.
honest, Judge, I don't know.
That's fair. Oh, no, you don't know. Go ahead.
So at some point, did you indicate to her that you did not want her back in the house?
Absolutely.
Now on this day, let me just rephrase this. Hold on. So after you had gotten hit in the face and you had taken it out of your eye, what happened next?
I got shoved, pushed a few times. And there was a verbal, sure yelling, very upset. I believe she left.
Let me stop you there. When you said that you got shoved and pushed,
Yes.
where were you standing exactly?
In my kitchen.
So after you had opened the door,
Yes.
did she then push and shove you?
When I opened the door, I got hit and then shoved backwards. I can't tell you how many times. I don't remember exactly how many times. Back towards my kitchen.
The witness says Savannah was inside the house. T some point, he told her to leave. Instead, she pushed him into the kitchen. Everything happened very fast. He says he does not remember what she was saying because the situation escalated quickly.
And do you recall anything at all from what she said?
Everything's costing else you can remember.
And do you remember what her demeanor was like when all this was going on?
Angered.
And what happened next?
She left. I locked the door. And then she came back and smashed my window, broke my window.
So let me stop you there. When you said she came back, so did you observe her leaving?
Exiting my door, yeah.
Do you know about how
Wait a
long
minute.
she was in the home?
Wait a minute. Slow down. John, go give him that garbage can, will you? I want you to throw your gum in the garbage can. Okay, there's 1 minute. All right, good. Now listen. Broke your window where?
Right next to my front door.
And that was after she exited the house?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Sorry, Your Honor, I was going to get to that.
That's all right.
And so about how long, if you recall, was the entire period that she was in your home on this day?
Honestly, I can tell you a time.
So at some point you observed her leaving, and do you recall about how much time had passed before something happened to your window?
Your Honor, I have to object only on the terms of relevance. The issue of the window being broken is under malicious destruction of property, and that's not part of fixing.
I can move forward. Your Honor.
Okay.
Did anything else happen after your window had been broken?
Mm-hmm.
And at some point, did you call the police?
Yes.
Did they arrive?
Yes, I called on the meeting. And
And did you speak to an officer that day?
yes, sir.
Now, just to clarify, did Savannah Bradley have any belongings at all left at that home?
No,
And, is this a home that you have purchased or do you lease it?
I don't.
You own it?
Yeah.
Is there a lease agreement?
There's lot room. That's,
Oh, lot rent?
yeah.
Okay.
I own the trailer, but I have to pay lot room.
Okay.
She was on the lease or as an occupant, but I had her removed from Suzanne, park manager.
So at some point then, you were indicating that you removed her
She was
from,
on the lot lease,
As an occupant, yeah.
but not on the trailer.
No.
and then at some point, did you say that you removed her from it?
Yes.
Do you recall around when that happened?
I don't, but I can get paperwork.
I have no further questions here.
Cross?
Hi, Mr. Summers.
Hi.
My name is Joy Mohammed and I represent Ms. Bradley. So, a few things I need clarification on. You have a child in common.
Yes.
The judge asks about the child involved. The child was living in the home when they were together. The witness later broke up with Savannah while she was already in the Wayne County Jail. Before that, she had been living in the same house.
The Wayne County, she was staying with me.
That's what she's asking.
Yes.
Was she living with you up until the day she went into the Wayne County Jail? Or did she vacate your property, your trailer, prior to going?
She was living with me. So.
Okay.
And so she came and saw you when she got out of jail, correct?
Correct.
And she had some questions for you, correct?
Correct.
What were some of those questions?
Asking about Jordan and his,
Who's Jordan?
my son.
Your son that you share with my client?
Yes.
Okay. So she was asking you about Jordan on that day?
On the day that happened?
Yeah.
No. I'm talking about prior to that. We've had,
Only talking about that day.
no.
Okay. I only want to know about the day in question, which is December. Okay. So on that day, prior to my client showing up at your trailer, did you all have a conversation?
I'm being honest, I don't remember. I don't believe so.
So is it your testimony today that she showed up there completely unannounced?
Yes.
And it is also your testimony that that is not her residence on that day.
Yes.
Your Honor, I would need to admit an exhibit. I'm gonna show it to holding counsel. It's my client's ID. That was issued on March of 2025 that has the address in question.
Wait a minute. Yeah.
That the ID is relevant.
It shows where she lives.
It's from March of 2025.
And it's still valid. It's her valid address.
Well, but people, is that a driver's license?
It is. Yes.
I mean, a lot of people don't change their driver's license. When did you tell her you didn't want her living there anymore? When she was in jail, right?
Yes.
And how many months was she in jail?
I think 3.
And how long after she got out of jail did she appear at your residence?
I have a good time frame on it.
Do you know when she got out of jail? I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't mean to interrupt.
No.
You're fine, but I think she's right. It's not relevant. You don't have a foundation for it, so I'm not going to admit that.
Court isn't about who feels wronged. It's about who can prove it, step by step. No experts, no proper exhibits. And the case was over before it ever began. Subscribe for real courtroom moments, where procedure decides everything.